Hello grade 6 JISMONIAN. Welcome back to JISMO YouTube channel. My name is Miss Yuki. Today's topic is geometry for grade 6. We have 4 squares as shown below. The length of the side is half of the length of the side of the square directly below it. If the total area of the 4 square is 170 square centimeter, what is the area of the largest square? This is a problem from the JISMO year 2021 grade 6 mathematics competition. Since we don't know the size of the length, the way to solve it is to assume a length, making it easy for anyone to solve. With my method, it takes only 1 minute. So are you all set? Awesome! Let's begin. Now, let's start with the basics. We have a figure composed of 4 squares. The length of each side doubles as we move from the top square to the next. Since we don't know the exact length, let's assume that the smallest square has 1 centimeter size. It means the second square will have 2 centimeter size, and the next will be 4 centimeter, and then the largest square will have 8 centimeter size. Are you following? Now let's calculate the area of each square. The smallest square is 1 by 1, giving us an area of 1 square centimeter. The next square is 2 by 2, which is 4 square centimeter. And the third square is 4 by 4, gives us 16 square centimeter. And the largest square, 8 by 8, has an area of 64 square centimeter. Now we sum them up. We get a total of 85 square centimeter. But here is the things. The actual total area is double our assumed total. So we need to multiply the largest square area by 2. That is 64 times 2, equaling 128 square centimeter. Now we reach the answer. How was the class, everyone? I hope you understood the concept of the strategy today. If you have any particular math topics that you want to study with me, drop your suggestion in the comments below. Did you enjoy the class? If yes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.